When you have a YouTube channel, you probably want to get as many subscribers as possible, which means that you need to make it as easy as possible to subscribe to you. And one of those ways that you can do it is through using a watermark. Hello, my name is Jess, also known as That Video Girl, and I want to help you to get found and stand out through video. We're going to focus on one little thing today, and that is your watermark for your YouTube channel. Your watermark actually follows you all over the internet. So if your video gets embedded in a blog post or somebody embeds it in their blog post, then your watermark follows. And in addition to that, if somebody hovers over that watermark and clicks on it, they can actually get the option to subscribe to your channel through that watermark without leaving the page. You could use Canva, so use canva.com. I'm using Crello. Find where you can put in the dimensions for your image. So on Crello, it's down the bottom here, 250 by 250 pixels. Let's go. I know that in Canva, if you search for something like YouTube, you'll come up with like the YouTube play button and things like that. I'm just going to create my own play button. So if I want to make a play button, let's see. So we want red. Okay, I like that red. Let's do that. And then I need a triangle. I'll use this one. I need to put it like it's play. Yep, that'll do. And I'm going to change these colors. I'm going to just turn both of them white. Now I'm going to add the word subscribe underneath because sometimes you really just need to tell people what to do. So I'm going to add that. If I click texts and then add heading text, and keep in mind if you have a particular font for your brand, then you might want to use it here as well. I want to fill up that square. What does it look like at 50? Okay, might need to pull these corners out a little bit, or this side, so it fits. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. All right, change my font color to white. Close that little bit there, and I'm going to grab it and move it. I'm happy with that. I'm going to name this. You can do the same thing on Canva, rename it. Then you want to download it, not JPEG, PNG. PNG or GIF are the only formats that will be accepted. So make sure you do that. And then you wait for your Australian internet to do the rest of it. Okay, now you want to go back to your channel. Click on your channel icon and you go to your studio, YouTube Studio. And this is YouTube Studio Beta, but you need to go into Classic in order to access the watermark feature. On the left-hand side, click on Create a Studio Classic and then tell them whatever you want to tell them. Maybe something is missing. I'm going to tell them watermark and submit. And that will take you out of beta and put you into Classic. On the left-hand side, I want you to click on Channel. And in the little drop-down menu, I want you to click on Branding. Add a channel watermark. Click the blue button that says Add a Watermark. And what we've made today is not what it recommends, but it's okay. It's not going to penalize you for doing this. Choose File. Wherever you put your little watermark image, here's mine. Double click it and save. And yes, save. Blue button. Now you have the option of when you want to actually display this watermark. When you've made your choice, click that and you click Update. Now remember, I do have my YouTube channel guide, like it's a step-by-step guide. I totally hold your hand through the whole thing so you can set up your YouTube channels the right way. That's on my website, thatvideogirl.com. Thanks for being here with me today. I love teaching and I love being able to show you all these bits and pieces. It's kind of awesome. Have a really fantastic rest of the day, everybody. I hope you have a good one. And I'm gonna just sign off now in a really, really awkward way. Bye.